In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Contact Flo app. First, launch Flo on your mobile device. You will want to find the Flo app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap on it. Once the app opens, you will see the user-friendly interface designed to help you track your health and wellness. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for all the subsequent actions. You will feel confident knowing you are in the right place to start seeking assistance. Next, tap your avatar or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically represents your personal profile and may feature a silhouette or your profile picture. By tapping this icon, you will access various settings and personal options. This is important because it leads you to the area where you can find help and support. After you tap the icon, the screen will display your profile settings, giving you a clear direction for the next step. From there, select Settings or look for the Help option. The Settings menu usually contains various personal and app-related configurations. However, we are focusing on getting help today, so look for the Help or Support section. This is crucial because it directs you to the resources you need for assistance. Once you locate the Help option, tap on it to proceed. You will notice the interface changing to present various help topics and options. Now tap Help and Support or the Contact Us button. This button is specifically designed to guide you toward the support resources available to you. Tapping on this option will lead you to a dedicated support area where you can find answers to common questions or issues. This step is significant because it connects you directly to the assistance you require. After tapping, you will see a list of support topics as well as options for contacting customer support. After that, fill out the support form and submit your request. This form will typically ask for details about your issue, including your email address, a description of the problem, and possibly some additional information about your account. Providing thorough information is important because it helps the support team understand your issue better, leading to a quicker resolution. Once you fill out the form, double-check your entries for accuracy. When you are ready, submit your request and you will see a confirmation message appear. This ensures that your inquiry has been successfully sent to the support team. With these steps completed, you are now connected to Flo's support team. Remember that reaching out for help is a normal part of using any app, and the Flo team is there to assist you. You can feel confident that they will address your concerns promptly. By following these steps, you have equipped yourself with the knowledge to navigate the app effectively and seek help when needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to Contact Flo app. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to refer back to this guide at any time.